Hi students, welcome to Learning Zone channel. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 3rd standard science term 3 unit 1 or environment. இதோட short and detailed question answer with pronunciation ஓட பார்க்கலாம். Roman letter 11 answer the following. First question, Vijay placed two things P and R, one living and one non-living, in separate cages with food and water. Number of weeks. In the first week, the weight of the P is 2 kg. The weight of R is 1.5 kg. In week 2, the weight of the P is 4 kg. The weight of the R is 1.5 kg. In week 3, the weight of the P is 6 kg. The weight of R is 1.5 kg. In week 4, the weight of P is 8 kg. Weight of R is 1.5 kg. Now the question is, which things is likely to be a living thing? Give reason for your answer. The answer is, P is likely to be a living thing because the weight of P is gradually increasing. Second question, what will be the weight of living thing in week 6? The weight of living thing in week 6 is 12 kg. The next question, write two examples for biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factor, human beings, plants, animals. Abiotic factor, air, soil, water, sunlight. Third question, list the abiotic factors needed for insects. Air, soil. Fourth question, what are the biotic factors of a balanced ecosystem? The biotic factors of a balanced ecosystem are producers, consumers and decomposers. Fifth question, why plants are called primary producers? The living things that can prepare their own food are called producers. Green plants are the producers. They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Hence, they are called primary producers. Sixth question, what is ecology? Ecology is the science that deals with the relationship between living things and their environment. Seventh question, when does an ecosystem balanced? An ecosystem is balanced when the biotic and abiotic factors are able to cycle the energy and food as per their need. What are called parasitic plants? A few plants do not produce their food and they depend on other plants. They are called parasitic plants. Example, Cuscuta. Ninth question, what are called decomposers? Organisms that feed on the waste, dead plants and animals are called decomposers. They return the nutrients to the soil. Example, bacteria, fungi. 10th question, what is known as a sapling? A young plant with a thin stem is known as a sapling. Roman letter 12. Answer the following questions in detail. Write the differences between living and non-living things. The biotic factors are living things. They can breathe and grow. In abiotic factors or non-living things, they cannot breathe and grow. Biotic factor, they need food to live. Abiotic factors, they do not need food to live. Biotic factor, they can feel. Abiotic factor, they cannot feel. They give birth to young ones. Abiotic factors, they do not give birth to young ones. Second question, write the benefits of plants. The benefits of plants are, it provides oxygen for breathing, it provides food and shelter to living things, it helps in bringing rainfall, It absorbs harmful gases and smoke from the surroundings. It gives wood for making furniture. It offers a good environment to live. Third question. Write about consumers and its types. The living things that eat the food prepared by the producers are called consumers. Most of the living things depend directly or indirectly on producers for their food. Consumers can be divided into three types based on their food as herbivores means plant eating animal, carnivores means flesh eating animal, omnivores means both plant and flesh eating animal. Roman letter 13. Think and answer. First question. A swing goes to and fro. Is it living or non-living? Answer, non-living. Second question. We get wood from trees, which are living things. A chair is made of wood. Is the chair a living thing or a non-living thing? The answer is non-living thing. Why is plant the most important living thing? Plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plants to live. They eating them and live in them. Fourth question. Plants and human beings are living things. Why do human beings depend on plants? Human beings obtain food from plants. Plants are medicinal value to human beings. Plants respirate and maintain a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide, which helps human beings to survive on this beautiful earth. Fifth question. Write any two uses of trees. Trees provide shade and shelter. It provides timber for construction, fuel for cooking, and heating and fruit for food. The sixth question. Identify and write the characteristic features using the given hints. Characteristics hints: move, breathe, feel, needs food, grow, reproduce. The statement. The statement, touch me not plant, closes when it is touched. The feel is the characteristic feature. A papaya seed becomes a papaya tree. The characteristic feature is grow. A dove flies in the sky. Moves the features. A cow eats grass. Needs food is the characteristic feature. A cat gives birth to kittens. The characteristic feature is reproduce. Human beings and animals breathe in and breathe out air. Breathe is the characteristic feature. Roman letter 14. Draw the following. A plant. Draw this plant. Okay. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next video.